Supercharge Your English, Mastering the Art of Collocations. Hello language learners! Welcome back to another exciting lesson on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're going to dive into an extremely important part of learning English, collocations. Specifically, we're going to focus on understanding collocations and look at some common examples. Collocations, or the way words pair up and work together in English, are crucial in making your English sound more fluent and natural. So, let's jump right in. In the world of English language learning, collocations refer to a pair or group of words that are often used together. These combinations just sound right to native English speakers who use them all the time. On the other hand, other combinations may be grammatically correct, but they just sound wrong. Understanding these word pairs is key to sounding more natural and fluent in English. Collocations can involve various combinations of words, such as verb plus noun, adjective plus noun, noun plus noun, verb plus adverb, and adjective plus preposition. For example, verb plus noun, make a mistake. Adjective plus noun, severe weather. Noun plus noun, heart attack. Verb plus adverb, completely agree. Adjective plus preposition, good at. Understanding these combinations will give you a massive boost in your English skills. Let's now look at some common collocations to get a better sense of these word pairings. Pay attention to how these words typically go together. 1. Take a shower. Even though do a shower might make sense grammatically, English speakers always say, take a shower. 2. Fast food. We don't say, quick food, even though the meaning is similar. 3. Make a decision. We don't usually do a decision. We make it. 4. Strong coffee, powerful coffee, could make sense, but we always say, strong coffee. 5. Commit a crime. Not, do a crime, or, create a crime, but, commit a crime. Notice that learning these collocations isn't about understanding the meaning of individual words, but rather how they're commonly used together in English. And there you have it. We've dipped our toes into the world of collocations, an essential part of English language learning. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we encourage you to start incorporating collocations into your daily English practice. The more you use and understand collocations, the more naturally your English will flow. Remember, language is all about patterns, and discovering these patterns is a big part of the journey. Keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.